dollar CAD. We are short from yesterday, as you have seen it. So we have really enjoyed it. Even today we have this breakout, as you can see here, price broken and retest. We really enjoy all these pullback on dollar CAD. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries and exit and bank amazing profit on dollar CAD. Hello traders, today is the last trading day of the week. The market was very challenging today, but we managed very decent profit. And let me share with you guys how I help my traders to squeeze very good profit through live intraday analysis. As always, if you would like to see all that analysis in real time instead of review, feel free to join my fast growing trader community. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. As always, if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe to this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. So if you look at the Euro USD chart, if you look at the 4 hour this morning, I explained to my trader if the price can stay above this level, price broken, develop false breakout, retest, then we are expecting here long trade here. So our bias is long on Euro USD, and we have taken all of the almost pullback long trades on Euro USD. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the market and entries through intraday. That was a pretty straightforward. And if you look at here, okay, so this is, you can see from yesterday we've been long from here, but this morning, as you can see here, that's a pretty straightforward breakout, and after breakout long trade here, price nicely hits to the first target and the second target. But if you look at here in 4 hour, price came back and retest and then continuation. So explain my trader, as long as the price stay above in intraday system 200 EMA, just keep taking a pullback. We can see here after banking some profit, pretty straightforward. You can see here another beautiful pullback long trade here, price nicely hit to the profit target, and another one once the price, after the news, price impulsively came down. Explain if the price gonna break this previous low, then we're taking a short. Otherwise, if the price gonna break this level, then we're taking a long. As you can see here, price nicely respected the previous low and it's broken this level. After the breakout, price retest, that give us the confirmation, and afterwards another beautiful pullback. And as soon as the price hit to the resistance level, explain my traders time to enjoy some profit. We had amazing trade on Euro USD. Pound dollar, nah, we didn't have any good trades today on pound dollar. Even if you look at in 4 hour chart, we haven't seen any big moves, but sort of like our biases developed long. As you can see here, price respected here, and we were expecting some long trade here, but as you can see here, price keep respecting this resistance level. So we haven't seen any big move, and I believe we have only one small trade this morning, but we have a nice trade yesterday, guys, as you can see here. So that was the pretty straightforward. Price broken this level, and as soon as the price hit this level, afterward the price is struggling, breaking this previous high and the low. So that's the only trade we had it on pound dollar. But dollar CAD is the best trade. So this is the trade of the day on dollar CAD. We are short from yesterday, as you have seen it. So we have really enjoyed it. Even today we have this breakout, as you can see here, price broken and retest. We really enjoy all these pullback on dollar CAD. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries and exit and bank amazing profit on dollar CAD. Right, so if you look at the intraday analysis, and if you look at from yesterday, we've been short here. You can see here yesterday being beautiful short trade here. So this morning, as explained, you can see here just before London Open, we did another analysis. Price developed head and shoulder pattern, a beautiful breakout, another one, price broken and retest, pullback short trade here, price nicely hit to the profit target, banking some profit, and afterwards, as always, banking some profit. Look for another deep pullback, as mentioned here. As you can see here, price develop another pullback, price nicely hit to the profit target, bank amazing profit. And after the news reaction, as you can see here, price develop another deep pullback, but we're looking this breakout opportunity. Beautiful short trade on dollar CAD. As you can see, guys, how we analyze the market in 4 hour, how we analyze market in intraday, and banking pips every single day. So the most important part of it is you should be watching those analysis in real time and banking profit in real time. If you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill with the live market. And once you develop your trading skill, I can also help you to get funded. If you are interested how I coach and train my trader, every day through live intraday analysis in real time. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Myself or one of my team member will show you how to become a successful trader and get funded. So if you are interested, join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and have a nice weekend, guys. Until next time, all the best.